You're gonna love the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection. Get into a family vehicle that's both fun to drive and works overtime to keep passengers safe. Come in and drive the Pacifica.